Good morning, and welcome to a 7 a.m. productive day in my life. Good morning. Today is Friday and we have a lot of stuff to do today. I am half awake right now. I'm very tired, but I decided to wake up early to make sure that everything I need to do gets done. So I'm gonna go and, I just made my bed. I just opened my curtains. I'm gonna go do my skincare now. Okay, so I just finished writing in my planner and now I'm gonna do a little bit of schoolwork before I have to actually start getting ready, because today I'm gonna go to brunch with my friends. But like, saying brunch just sounds so grown up, like it sounds so sophisticated, and I'm like, I still feel like a little kid, and I'm out here getting ready to go to brunch. I realized that I didn't even say what I was going to be doing today, so let me just give you a bit of a rundown. So for starters, like I said earlier, I'm going to go to brunch with my friends around noon, so I have to start getting ready because I think it's like it's almost 10:30, so I have to start getting ready. And then after we go to brunch, we are probably going to go to like a cafe or like a Starbucks or something and do some studying. But I actually don't even have like that much work to do because most of my teachers have not opened like the assignments yet, and we started school 3 weeks ago. But like a lot of them have like put in the assignment so I can see it, but they so I decided, since today is one of my more productive days where I'm actually doing something, I might as well film like a little day in my life, and hopefully it comes out good because I'm still kind of getting used to vlogging, but that's okay. But yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup now, and then I'm going to see you in a little bit when I decide to pick an outfit out. So a bit of an update. I got lazy and I got distracted, and now it's like 30 minutes later and I decided that I'm not going to do my makeup. But I did brush my eyebrows, put on mascara, and put on a little lip gloss just so I could look somewhat put together. And now I'm going to go put on real clothing because my mom said I cannot wear my pajamas out. Okay, so here's my outfit of the day. Why am I standing like that? Okay, here's my outfit of the day. Okay, so For rings, I got all these rings from Forever 21 in like a big pack. And then this necklace I don't remember where I got this one from, but I got this this necklace from Forever 21 too. And then I'm wearing this little heart belt, which is also from Forever 21. And then I'm wearing this mock turtleneck that is like this bright red color, and this leather jacket, and both of these are thrifted, and so are the jeans. And I think the jeans are either Levi's or Lee's. I don't know what's going on today. I can't speak. But anyways, yeah, that's the whole and the scarf is from my mom's closet. I'm borrowing it for the day. And yeah, I'm gonna go pack my bag. Oh wait, I'm also going to wear these red Converse with the outfit, and just dropped a ring. And I'm going to wear this like grayish brown bag to add a little bit of contrast. Filmed a vlog in like so long. Like I think the last time I filmed a vlog was in November. November when we went to the other coffee shop.
Oh yeah.
That's the last time. That's the last time I filmed a video. Well, yeah. Well, there's something else to do here.
Look at me in the background. Yeah, I'm freshly divorced.
Made it back home, but my room is kind of a mess because I just kind of threw everything everywhere when I was getting ready. So I'm gonna do like a 10-minute timer and just kind of clean up before I have to join my Zoom in a few hours. that's all I filmed for the day. After this, I got on my Zoom call, then I finished my night routine and I went to bed. But that's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye!